Hello, my name is Kieran McGourty and I'm one of the PIs here in the Biocyber Research Group. I'm fascinated by how the body can generate, maintain and heal itself. Now much of these attributes are associated with a small population of cells known as stem cells, adult stem cells. Much of my group's research is focused on the microenvironment around these stem cells and how they can trigger these stem cells to behave in different ways to give rise to the tissue in which they reside. Particularly, I'm interested in how these microenvironment can cause these stem cells to wake from a dormant state known as quiescence, replicate and give rise to differentiated cell types of the tissue in where they are. I hope that we can take this information, the understanding that we develop around these stem cells, and mimic it in an in vitro environment. We want to build devices that faithfully copy the environment in which stem cells are normally so that we can grow these tissues outside of the body. Initially, this will be very useful in applications such as drug screening, where you'd be able to reduce the amount of animals that you'd need to use during early drug development. And further than this, ultimately, we'd like to be able to grow intact tissue outside of the body so that they'd be suitable to reimplant back into a patient.
Hello, my name is Sigita Malijauskaite and I'm a first-year Ph.D. student working in the Biocyber group with Dr. Kieran McGourty. My project is focusing on a creation of an in vitro hydrogel scaffold of the intestine that will be functionalized with the proteins found around the stem cells in their microenvironment. If successful, I will be able to take stem cells and repopulate my scaffold. They should then be able to grow and give rise to different cell types of that microenvironment. I hope to create all the structure that should normally be seen in an intestine, like microvilli and crypts. I hope this platform will help to understand the intestinal development and that I will contribute to this worthwhile cause.
Hello, my name is Lynnette. I am a Senior Research Fellow in the Biocyber group with Dr. Kieran McGourty. I am interested in how cells respond to the microenvironment in disease states such as cancer. Particularly, I am interested in how tumors develop and how the cells of the tumors behave differently depending where they are in the tumor. I am especially interested in cancer stem cells, which I believe respond to the microenvironment of both biochemical and biomechanical cues in similar ways to that of adult stem cells. I hope to build various in vitro mimics of this tumor environment with the rest of the Biocyber team to model this process. I believe this will contribute greatly to our understanding of this disease and will yield novel therapies to battle it.